The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Newcastle Interchange via Epping. First stop Epping, then Hornsby, Woy Woy, Gosford, Tuggerah, Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow, then Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange. The train on platform 3 goes to Newcastle Interchange via Epping. First stop Epping, then Hornsby, Woy Woy, Gosford, Tuggerah, Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow, then Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange. Platform 3 goes to Katoomba via Parramatta. First stop Parramatta, then Blacktown, Penrith, then all stations to Springwood and then all stations to Katoomba. Via Linfield. First stop Lakeland, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milson's Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Rosehill, Redfield, Carrara and Adobe. The train on platform 3 goes to Katoomba via Parramatta. First stop Parramatta, then Blacktown, Penrith, then all stations to Springwood.